This week's What's New segment is brought to you by Tunex. More than just tune-ups, on a hot summer's day, we are air conditioning.
Hey guys, welcome back to At Your Leisure. I'm Sam the Gadget Girl, and today we're at the RV Expo in downtown Salt Lake, and I have found some awesome things for you. What I'm going to show you right now is the SylvanSport Go, and they call it the Swiss Army knife of camping trailers. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this thing is so spacious. You can make a king-and-a-half size bed in here, or you can keep the bed separate, and there's even a privacy curtain in the middle. And look at all this room. Me and all my friends could sit around this table and maybe play a game of cards. And guess what? I could even tow this with my Jeep. You can even tow it with a Prius. This entire thing only weighs 800 pounds, making it one of the lightest you'll ever find. One of the best things about this Go is that it's super lightweight, it's really easy to store, and plus, when I go camping, it's not just to spend time outside, it's to spend time outside doing things I love. And with this, I could bring along my bikes, I could bring along my kayak, I could even bring a dirt bike. And it's so easy to store if you don't have a ton of room, but you still like to spend time outside. This is one of the best campers you're gonna find. Not only is it spacious to sit in, spacious to sleep in, to hang out with your friends, there is tons of storage with an overhead rack. And this right here, you can put up LED lights, you can store anything from card games, your clothing that you want to take out with you, any adventure necessities, even your cooking utensils and food. And that reminds me, they have something else here I really want to show you guys. Let's go check it out. This is their Overeasy camp kitchen system. The entire thing sits inside its own case, collapses within seconds, and once it's collapsed, it weighs less than 45 pounds, making it super easy to store inside your camper. One of my favorite things is when it's open, you have almost 9 square feet of bamboo countertop. It has a built-in trash system, making it easier to leave no trace when you're outside. And I love it because when I'm trying to spend time outside, I'm trying to spend time outside, and nothing makes that easier than their Overeasy camp kitchen system. I don't know about you guys, but trying to find your way through a dark campsite can be so frustrating. Well, here at SylvanSport, they've thought about it. Their Waylight is not just a walking stick, it's also a flashlight. You're trying to fix something at night, stick it in the ground, aim this wherever you're looking, and even better, you get a couple of these, put them around the camp, you can illuminate the entire camp. Brand new tiki torches, but better because they're rechargeable. They have a USB port, they recharge in 2 hours. They're adjustable to height, and they've even taken it one step further. These tips are totally toxin-free, they are food safe, and they've made it so you can stick these bamboo skewers in there, and you can roast s'mores over the fire. And I'll let you guys in on a little secret. I like to roast Starbursts. You should give it a try. Alright, I have found some awesome gadgets today here at SylvanSport. If you guys want to check these out, head on into Parris RV. I'm gonna go look at some more cool stuff.